Siva Nurisha. I'm majoring English literature, and I will discuss about types of validity in language assessment. What types is validity? Number 1, content validity. Number 2, construct validity. Number 3, criterion validity. 4, consequential validity. 5, phase validity. And 6, ecological validity. Definition validity. Validity in language testing is about how logical and true interpretation and decisions are made based on scores or in general data from assessment. Validity has been considered a trait of test. A test is valid if it measures what it has to measure and nothing more. Okay, number 1, content validity. Definition: content validity is based on expert opinion as to whether a test item measure the intended skills. Content validity is widely cited in commercially available test manuals as evidence of the test's overall validity for identifying language disorder. Number 2, construct validity. Construct validity is the most important of the measure of validity. According to the American Educational Research Association, construct validity refers to the degree to which evidence and theory support the interpretation of test scores entailed by proposed use of tests. Number 3, criterion validity. Criterion validity is also known as criterion-related validity, assesses how well a test measures the specific outcome it was intended to measure. This outcome could be a disease, behavior, or performance. Concurrent validity checks if a test correlates with criterion variables simultaneously. Number 4, consequential validity. Definition is consequential validity refers to the positive or negative social consequence of a particular test. For example, the consequential validity of standardized tests include many positive attributes, including improved student learning and motivation and ensuring that all students have access to equal classroom content. Number 5, phase validity. It's about phase validity evaluates how appropriate the content of a test appears at first glance. It shares similarities with content validity, but is a more informal and subjective evaluation. Since phase validity relies on personal judgment, it's often seen as the less robust form of validity. And number 6, ecological validity. Definition: ecological validity refers to the extent to which the findings of a study can be generalized to real-world settings. It involves assessing whether the behaviors, conditions, and stimuli studied in research accurately reflect those in the natural environment. Okay, thank you. And then part 2 is about test assessment. And I make 2 texts about grammar and vocab. And this is example. Okay, and this the answer key 2. This part 1 and this part 2. And about scoring, exact word method. Number 1, complete the deleted word. give 1 point for each correct answer. Number 2, out of answer context, no points for wrong answer. Number 3, has a similar level of words, still do not get points. Next, scoring. Total question 15 points. 20 points text 1 and 25 points text 2. Correct answer or total question dikali 100%. 15 dibagi 15 dikali 100. 15 dibagi 15 1 dikali 100 and the answer 100. And grading 78 sampai 100 A, 63 sampai 77 B, 49 sampai 62 C, 31 sampai 48 D, and last 0 until 13 sama dengan E. And justification. Number 1, why choose those texts? Because contextual meaning. And 2, why using the t-test? The answer, holistic assessment and reduced guessing. And I think enough. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.